welcome back to my channel, and today we have been going shopping for this keychain. So we got this keychain which Ginger likes a lot for some reason. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Okay, then next we have, I'm just gonna hold them. This guy really hates this shovel for some reason. I don't know. I think he hates purple or something. But we got this shovel. Oh my god, be careful. Then next we have this. So we have. So this is for like, so that we can. He likes it, I think. You can also give him a bath with this. Look at this guy bathing. No toys. Then also have this, the bigger one. He's gonna love this. Like, look.
Rub his back. He likes it.
Plates for Ginger. And we have some plates. We have what? Yeah. We have the blue one and a pink one. Or Simon, like, yeah. Those are for me and Ayman. And these two small ones. And now we have one thing we always needed. A harness for Ginger. Because this guy, that one is getting out of hand. He keeps running away. This is not even toy. This is like to clean. This is my new burrito, guys. I got it from dollar store. My new burrito. Hope you like this haul, and bye.
Bye, Ginger.